Hello friends, now we are going to discuss on dual starter circuit diagram, how the starter functioning, and also here we'll see the 10 HP motor and 5 HP motor, how much current will take, and input MCB rating how much to be keep. Okay, you know the dual starter very well. Dual full form is direct to online. Dual starter mostly used for bore motor pumps. This one is the dual starter box. Here is the dual starter inside components and its wiring terminal points. Before going to the circuit diagram, you could observe here name of the components. You can see the input connection here have 3 terminals RYB 3 phase, and see the output have 4 terminals. This RYB 3 phase supply go to the motor, and fourth one is the auxiliary supply, and also called it is the feedback supply to the relay. This auxiliary supply connection go to the start button other end. See the relay coil, it's have 2 terminals, 2 phase 415 volts coil supply connecting one side OR phase and another side B phase come through start and stop buttons. See here right side is the start button and left side is the stop button. And also see here current adjust port. With this white color port keep the overload current range. Here red sticker shows current range. Here it is 0 to 36 amps range. Depending on starter capacity, the maximum range will be there. Let us see the circuit diagram. See here input 3 phase RYB supply. It will come from switchboard. This input 3 phase connection, first we have to connect to MCB. MCB means miniature circuit breaker. MCB to fuses or fuses to MCB, as you are convenient, place it. As for me connect the MCB compulsory, it is the good overload protection and convenient to switch off and do the connection and repair work. And see here start button, its connection is NO, normally open, and see the stop button, the connection is NC, normally contact. And see here is the relay, one end is coming from R phase, another end is B phase. The B phase come when press the start button, it is come through stop button to relay. Whenever B phase come to the relay, relay will be magnetized, then the plates will be contact, so that we get the 3 phase output supply. At auxiliary point got the B phase supply, it will continue to the relay through NC button, so that relay will be continuous on, then we get output power continuous. From output terminal point, motor will get 3 phase power. Now let us see 10 HP motor. 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. 10 into 746 equal to 7460 watts. P is equal to 7.46 kilowatts. 3 phase power equal to root 3 VI cos phi into motor efficiency into cable efficiency. 7460 equal to root 3 into 415 volts into current into 0.8 power factor into 96% motor efficiency into 95% cable efficiency. After calculation it, current will get 14.23 amps. So that 10 HP motor will be take 14.23 amps. When initially starting the motor will be take 3.5 times more than the motor capacity. It is initial starting motor from rest condition. 0.23 into 3.5 times times up down will be there. We can keep the input MCB 63 amps. Let us see the 5 HP motor. 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. P is equal to 5 into 746 equal to 3730 watts. Power equal to 3.73 kilowatts. 3 phase power equal to root 3 VI cos phi into motor efficiency into cable efficiency. That is come 3730 equal to root 3 into 415 volts into current, 0.8 power factor, 0.96 motor efficiency, 0.95 cable efficiency. After calculated current will get 7.11 amps. Starting inrush current 3.5 times more than the motor capacity. 7.11 into 3.5 times equal to 24.89 amps, so that voltage sometimes up down will be there. We can keep the input MCB 32 amps. I hope you are understood about DOL starter. Here it is the 3-phase supply. Any repair work is there, make sure keep the input MCB off and do the connection.